Hi everyone, I'm Carly Walters, aesthetics educator and founder of Advanced Aesthetic Training. Today we're talking about why dermaplaning isn't just a popular add-on treatment. It's actually one of the most powerful ways to keep your clients coming back again and again. Here's the truth. It's up to 5 times more expensive to bring in a new client than keep an existing one. That's why client retention should be your #1 marketing priority. And dermaplaning, when marketed the right way, is a retention goldmine. Clients love instant gratification. Dermaplaning gives them smoother skin, brighter tone, and flawless makeup application in one treatment. When you highlight these results in your marketing, especially using before and after visuals, clients can't help but rebook. One of the biggest mistakes I see estheticians make: only selling single sessions. Instead, create packages like a Glow All Year series and show clients the benefits of consistency. When you present dermaplaning as part of a long-term skincare journey, retention skyrockets. Another retention hack is tracking progress. When you use tools like a glow diary or a treatment tracker, clients see their improvements over time. That motivates them to keep booking. Plus, it builds trust because you're showing them proof of their results. If you want a full system for marketing dermaplaning, from ready-to-use scripts to event kits to step-by-step client retention strategies, my course, How to Market Dermaplaning Services to New and Existing Clients, is designed just for you. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out. Don't just offer dermaplaning, market it in a way that builds long-term success.